you're a doctor of pharmacy. You appreciate the pharmaceutical interventions of sorts. How do you balance that out, or do you see is there a way to balance that out where you can still apply pharmaceutical interventions alongside more natural holistic interventions, such as phospholipid therapy? Because most pharmacists, just stick to one. It is
Yeah,
just the pharmaceutical drugs. That's it. Don't even think about the other stuff.
yeah,
How do you find
absolutely.
that balance?
So that is a great question, and I end up having to enjoy explaining why I got into this entire thing. Is because early on in my pharmacy career, I saw that there was a brokenness of our modern medicine and how it was just a sick care instead of being healthcare. And as well as just going through this entire process, I realized that I wanted more answers. And one of the things that I saw value in is going in through functional medicine. But I had great mentors where they utilize both, functional medicine, integrative side, as well as pharmaceuticals to allow a good balance in this approach of allowing patients to heal properly. Right. That's art in itself. Everybody's like, oh, you shouldn't be using pharmaceuticals. Yeah, but there's a ways to incorporate these things properly. I'm quite sure that's what you guys do in your clinic as well, and some of the other doctors out there. They're doing this, full time and looking at not just the natural pathic world, but looking at the pharmaceutical side to marrying it all together to create a balance and to get to the root cause issue. So one thing that I do right now at our pharmacy is that I own a compounding pharmacy in New Jersey, and we actually do a number of things in terms of wellness consultation as well as vitamin therapies, all that we do. But we also do compounding that's able to help to manage the chronic conditions like low dose naltrexone.
Mm-hmm.
We do antiparasitic compounds that could be very helpful. So compounding albendazole, praziquantel, ivermectin, and nitazoxanide that could be all incorporated to dealing with biotoxin issues, as well as bioidentical hormone replacement therapy for patients dealing with PCOS, right? That is a sign of a cell danger response, hormonal dysfunction, all those things could be all marrying it together. So I'm very fortunate to be having this type of practice that I built, and as well as the mentors I actually had, like Dr. Kane that I mentioned before, and just to people and community that's around me, and having to have a social media presence that actually also helped out as well. So I'm able to help out a lot more people. So it's really very, very interesting.
Yeah, no, it's a cool concept to create the compounding pharmacy in that reign of things, and understanding a much more holistic viewpoint to helping people.